Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with local anesthetic drugs and presented by myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance. First of all we see what is the learning outcome. After watching this video, student will able to name the local anesthetic drugs according to IUPAC system, to understand the mechanism of action of local anesthetic drugs, to classify the local anesthetic drugs, to recognize the local anesthetic drugs on the basis of their structure, physical property, uses and official preparations. Local anesthetics. Local anesthetics are the drugs which provide insensitivity in a limited area around the site of application or injection of the drug by preventing generation and conduction of impulse along the nerve fibers and nerve ending, and the effects are reversible. Local anesthesia is defined as the transient reversible loss of consciousness in circumscribed area of the body caused by depression of excitation in nerve ending or an inhibition of conduction process in peripheral nerves. When it is used on specific nerve pathway, that is nerve block, effects such as analgesia, that is loss of pain sensation, or paralysis, that is loss of muscle power, can be achieved. Now we see difference between general anesthetic and local anesthetics. These are the some parameters which are used for difference. First, site of action. In general anesthetic, the site of action is central nervous system, and for local anesthetic, peripheral nerves. Then area of body involved. Whole body involved in general anesthetics, and restricted area, that is only limited area is involved in local anesthetics. Third point, consciousness. Loss of consciousness seen in general anesthetic while not lost consciousness in local anesthetics. Next point, poor health patient. It is risky in general anesthetics and safer for local anesthetics. Then use of non-cooperative patients. It is possible to give general anesthesia and not possible for local anesthesia. Major surgery is possible in general anesthetic, means in general anesthetic major surgery preferred, while in local anesthetic general surgery major surgery not preferred. Then next point, minor surgery. It is not preferred for general anesthesia and it is preferred for local anesthetics. Then care of vital organs, essential in general anesthetics and usually not needed for local anesthetics. Examples: general anesthesia, chloroform, diethyl ether, thiopentane sodium. Local anesthetic, benzocaine, procaine and lignocaine. Mechanism of action. Local anesthetic produce anesthesia by inhibiting excitation of nerve ending or by blocking conduction in peripheral nerves. This is achieved by anesthetic reversibly binding to and inactivating sodium channels. They are produce loss of pain without loss of consciousness, that is nervous control. Local anesthesia induced in many ways depending upon route of their administration. First, surface or topical anesthesia. It is induced by blocking the sensory nerve ending in skin and mucous membrane. Infiltration anesthesia. It is induced by injection into area subjected to the surgical operations. And the spinal anesthesia. It is induced by injecting the drug into dual membrane surrounding the spinal cord and nerve coat. Now we see properties of ideal local anesthetics. Reversible action, it is non-irritant, it not shows allergic reaction, not shows systemic toxicity, it has rapid onset of action, it has sufficient duration of action, it should be potent, it should be stable in solution, it not interfere with healing of tissues, it have vasoconstrictor action, it is not expensive. Then we see local anesthetic classification. It is broadly divided into two major groups, that is first natural product, for example cocaine, and second synthetic compounds. Synthetic compounds are again divided into benzoic acid derivative, for example hexylcane, isobutane, para-aminobenzoic acid derivative, for example benzocaine, procaine. Then next class meta-aminobenzoic acid, for example orthophon. Next class amide and its derivative, for example lignocaine and dibukane. And last class is miscellaneous agent, for example benzyl alcohol, clove oil and phenol. Then we see individual monograph. First drug, benzocaine. This is the structure of benzocaine. Chemical name ethyl para-aminobenzoate, as it is the ester of benzoic acid. Physical property, its hydrochloride salts occur as white crystalline powder, it is odorless, it has slightly bitter numbing taste, and it is very slightly soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol, and solutions in dilute acids. Chemical property, it contains primary aromatic amino group, hence it is undergoes diazotization reaction in presence of sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid to give diazotized compound, which on coupled with 2-naphthol in presence of sodium acetate to produce orange red precipitate. Storage condition, it is stable in air and affected by light, hence it is stored in well closed container at a cool place. Uses, it is local anesthetic and used to relieve pain associated with ulcers, wounds, mucous membrane or surface. Orally, it is used to relieve pain in gastric carcinoma, for symptomatic treatment of tuberculosis, laryngitis, to treat pruritus, anal fissure and hemorrhoids, and to prevent nausea and vomiting. Pharmaceutical preparation, it is available in lozenges, spray, ointments, cream, lotions and aerosols. And the brand names are Vicks Formula 44, Solivax Ear and Helix Spray. Next drug is procaine. It is also called ethocaine or novocaine. This is the structure of procaine. It is 4-amino-2-diethylaminoethyl benzoate or 2-diethylaminoethyl 4-amino-benzoate. Physical property, it is hydrochloride salts and occur as white crystalline powder. It is odorless. It has slightly salty to bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water, soluble in alcohol and very slightly soluble in chloroform. It is non-irritant, local anesthetic. Chemical property, due to presence of primary aromatic amino group, it is undergoes diazotization reaction in presence of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid to give diazotized compound. On coupled with 2-naphthol in presence of sodium acetate to produce orange-red azo dye, and it is hydrolyzed in presence of alkali and mineral acids to give para-amino-benzoic acid and 2-diethylamino-ethanol. Storage condition: it is stable in air and affected by light, hence it is stored in well-closed container at a cool place. Uses: it is primarily used for its local anesthetic activity and used for infiltration, peripheral nerve block, spinal anesthesia and regional anesthesia, and its salts with benzyl penicillin is given to increase duration of action of benzyl penicillin. Pharmaceutical preparation: it is available in procaine and adrenaline injection, procaine and benzyl penicillin injection, fortified penicillin injection, and the brand names are Novocaine, Planocaine and Pronestil. Next drug is lignocaine. It is also called lidocaine or xylocaine. This is the structure of lignocaine. Chemical name 2-diethylamino N,2,6-dimethylphenyl acetamide hydrochloride. Physical property: its hydrochloride salts occur as white crystalline powder. It is odorless. It has slightly bitter numbing taste. It is very soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol and soluble in chloroform. Storage condition: it is stored in well-closed container at a cool place. Uses: it is used as local anesthetic in the form of injection for systemic and cream ointment spray for surface anesthesia. It is also used in the treatment of ventricular tachyarrhythmias, especially for associated with myocardial infarction, for topical use, and it is used to produce dental anesthesia. Pharmaceutical preparation: it is available in lignocaine injection, lignocaine eye drops and lignocaine gels. Brand names: Otec, Dalcaine, Altacaine, Xylocaine, Xylocard and Lignox. Thank you so much for watching this video.